Kendall, look at Mama. Kaboom. Come here, Mommy. Look at Mama. Say hi. Hi, Mommy. Where's Mommy? Peekaboo. You crab crawl? Yeah? Where's my girl? Where's my girl? You got some paper? Not in your mouth. Not in your mouth, young lady. What are we going to do with the paper and put it in the garbage? Put it in the garbage. Kaboom. Who's my pretty girl? There you go. I'm gonna put it in the garbage. Good girl.